Good morning. Let's get started on reading. So find your worksheet. Let's go on to Wednesday's assignment. Wednesday from week 2. How do seeds get around? Let's work on main idea today. So we're going to read this passage. How do seeds get around? Seeds need a good place to grow. If they fall too close to the plant that made them, they may not get enough sun or water. So how do they get to one good spot on the ground? Some seeds travel a long way from where they start. In fact, some move miles away. How do they do it? They fly, float, or hitchhike. So flying seeds. Some seeds have wings like an airplane. They glide through the air. The seed of an Asian climbing gourd has long wings. It glides in large, wide circles. Other seeds fly like a helicopter or drift like a parachute. Floating seeds. Some seeds float on water. A coconut palm tree may drop its seed into the ocean. The ocean current can carry it a long way. Sometimes the seed will travel 1,000 miles before it reaches dry land. Hitchhiking seeds. Some seeds travel by animal. Cockleburr plants make seeds covered with little hooks. These hooks grab onto the fur of passing animals. The seeds stay on an animal until they are scratched or pulled off. They might land far away from where they started. Seeds can also travel inside animals. Seeds that animals eat end up in animal droppings. The seeds grow wherever the droppings land. Plants create seeds that grow into new plants, but seeds need a good place to grow. They can fly, float, or hitchhike to get there. It's amazing how seeds can really get around. So now let's continue to your questions. We are not going to do this one because we actually have the answer key here. So we're going to do this one. How do seeds get around? So your first question. What is the author's topic? A. How seeds travel. B. How seeds fly. Or C. How seeds grow. Second question. What is the author's main idea? A. Seeds can travel by floating, flying, or hitchhiking. B. Seeds are often swallowed by animals. Or C. Seeds are important because they produce plants that we eat. So go ahead and mark your answers. And number 3. Choose an important detail that supports the main idea. A. Some seeds travel by flying. B. Some seeds are good for eating. And C. Some seeds can travel far. So go ahead and finish this page. Only 3 questions for today. And send me a picture if you haven't done so, please, so I can put a grade for you. Thank you.